Hey there, Jamie from the Marine Doctor's YouTube channel, and today we're going to be running a 25 horsepower Johnson as a test run for a customer. He's selling it and he just wants to know if it's going to work properly. Fairly straightforward. Let's get to it. Hey everybody, welcome back. This is a 25 horsepower Johnson. Again, to reiterate what was said at the start there, it's just in for a test run, but prior to putting him into the tank, I did check his gear oil and added to his gear oil because it was indeed low. Now again, this is a test run for an engine that's for sale by a customer, so we're not getting any detailed checks on it until such time as I find something wrong. So I haven't started it yet, so let's go ahead and see if we can get this thing running. There we go. Nothing going on. Let's do some digging. Well, it would appear that this bad boy doesn't want to start, so we got to do some diagnostics. We're going to assume that the compression is fine just because the guy's intending on selling it. He was probably using it last fall, but if need be, I'll check it in a few minutes. Right now, we're going to start with the ignition to make sure that that is indeed working. So we got a fairly decent spark on both cylinders, which is fantastic. Another possibility is perhaps it's flooding. So it's got this primer circuit here that draws off the fuel line and then shoots directly into the intake. So perhaps it's got too much fuel. So what we're going to do is, in order to alleviate that problem, is we're going to throttle up. And if you can look inside there, you can see that now I've got the throttle plate level. So what that's going to do is allow a lot more air to go through and hopefully clear out any excess fuel that might be in those cylinders and or through the intake. And that looks like that was the problem, overprimed on startup. Okay, so I got a lot of the smoke cleared out now that I've got my fan running, and we're going to go ahead and restart the engine now and put it through its paces. Ooh, she's angry. Now it appears to be running lean. Okay, I'm going to need to do some adjusting. We're going to go ahead and give it more fuel with a low-speed jet, see if it restarts. appears to be working fine. Let's go ahead and take some temperature readings. Make sure we're tight. Drop it gear and see what happens. Looks good. '25's done. 25 ran great after those bugs were taken out. I overprimed it so that you guys could see what a flooded engine looked like. I leaned it out so you guys could see how to readjust the carburetor to get rid of lean pop. So lean pop was what you guys saw, that hard kick at idle, and then it would kill the engine. That's the air and fuel mixture going rather than burning the way it's supposed to. So whoever buys this engine, whoever he's selling to, I'm 100% certain they're going to have a great engine for a lot of years. Thanks for watching, and remember, like, comment, and subscribe below, and have a great day.